Hey, Heron. I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel, and today is Vlogmas Day 7. I have this salad that I'll be preparing. My ingredient: lettuce, bell peppers, iceberg lettuce, coriander. This ingredient right here, small but mighty. Grapes, carrots, and yes, your girl forgot to add apples to this slide. But if you've been wanting to eat healthier, let me introduce you to one of the best things that has happened in my kitchen. This food processor right here, it makes the whole journey feel easy. Yes. So I am slicing my carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, apples, all of them, all prepped in seconds. Sometimes healthy living isn't hard. You just need tools that remove the stress. Exactly. Well, before we continue, I'd like to talk about this salad that we're making today. Because you've been trying to eat cleaner, this bowl is a soft, simple place to start if you've been trying to eat cleaner. First of all, it's naturally sweet. Because of the apples and grapes in the mix, you genuinely, honestly, you don't need processed sugar in your dressing. Your fruits are already doing the job, bringing sweetness, crunch, freshness, and energy. Now, the ingredients, the benefits. Carrots give you beta carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, good for your eyes, your skin, and your overall glow. They also keep you full. So you're not looking for unnecessary snacks. Cucumbers are hydrating, almost all water, and perfect for hot days. They help with digestion, detoxification, and keeping your skin clear. Bell peppers are one of my favorite beauty foods. They're loaded with vitamin C, which helps your skin stay bright, youthful, and firm. Red and yellow peppers especially bring antioxidants that fight inflammation. Lettuce, both iceberg and the regular green leaves, they bring fiber. Fiber is the quiet champion that supports digestion, reduces bloating, and helps regulate appetite. Grapes are antioxidants and natural sugars that give you clean energy without the crash. They're also great for your heart. Apples, even though I forgot to snap them, help stabilize blood sugar and keep your stomach happy. The beauty of good salad is that it's not just healthy, it's color, texture, crunch, hydration, natural sweetness, nourishment, all in one bowl. Healthy eating doesn't need to be complicated. No, sometimes it just needs colors and intention. And the best part, meals like this makes you feel good afterwards. Light, satisfied, energized, no guilt, no heaviness, just nourishment. So, if you're trying to start a healthy journey, this is one of the easiest ways to fill your bowl with real food that loves you back. And because I love adding intention into my meals, I still do some things by hand. I hand slice the iceberg lettuce and break the green lettuce into pieces. It feels grounding, like choosing softness, freshness, and care with my own hands. Now everything comes together, a bowl full of color and crunch. And for the grapes, I prefer breaking them by hand. Why do I do that? So that each piece keeps that juicy bite. This salad is already giving richness, wellness, and joy. I'll take you to the dressing, but for now, let's take a short break with my voice. Okay, let's jump to the salad dressing. Greek yogurt, honey, garlic, pepper, coriander, salt, and lemon juice. These are all the ingredients I am bringing in. When you bring this in, make sure to blend it until it becomes creamy, silky, sweet, and tangy. This is the part that reminds you that healthy food can taste amazing. Not boring, not stressful, just good. Oh my God. I love salads. They are very easy to make and they're very filling. They can keep you for the whole day. Whole day. I am tired, but I cannot wait to dig into this. Woo. In case you're wondering, will I finish this? Yes! Oh my God. This is so good. So good. So I mean, you can absolutely have a salad that does not have all those store-bought dressings that you do not know what goes in. Give this a try and let me know if you love it as much as I do. That's all I have for Vlogmas Day 7. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for spending day 7 with me. This salad reminded me how easy and fun healthy eating can be when you keep it colorful and simple. Let's keep choosing softness this December. Day 8 is on the way.